Hello again, it's Glossary of Periodontology and my name is Dr. Harim Jafar. Please subscribe to my channel HL Talent. Today I brought to you few other terms and it will be our last lecture on the letter A. So we have A initial followed by T, A initial followed by U. I have few terms for you and I hope you will enjoy it. We have attached gingiva. We know that the gingiva consists of a marginal gingiva, which is a free gingival margin, and the attached gingiva. The attached gingiva is separated from the alveolar mucosa through mucogingival groove. And this is the attached part, is that portion of gingiva which extends from the base of gingival crevice from here to mucogingival junction here. It's firm, resilient, and tightly bound to underlying periosteum. Also, it's tightly bound to the tooth and alveolar bone through connective tissue. We have augmentation. What we mean by augmentation is the act of enlarging or increasing as in size or quantity. For example, we have breast augmentation and we have edentulous ridge augmentation. In edentulous ridge augmentation, it's a procedure designed to correct a deformed alveolar ridge. We have less amount of bone here. For example, we have atrophied bone and we need to increase the size of that bone. So this process is named an augmentation, ridge augmentation. We have gingival augmentation. Well, we have a recession due to loss of keratinized tissue or due to loss of connective tissue. In this case, we do augmentation of gingiva, procedure designed to increase the quantity of the attached gingiva or increase the bulk, the size of the lost gingiva. We have term autogenous. It means originating or derived from the sources within the same individual, as we have it in autogenous grafts or vaccines. So any auto means self, genus is derived from, so it's derived from self. For example, in cases of free gingival graft, we take keratinized epithelium from the palate and we will just graft it to the area of recession. We have the term autoimmunity, which means an immune response to an organism's own tissue or components. You all know that the immunity have a defendant against any antigens or any external invaders. Well, in this case, in autoimmunity, the immunity will invade its own body cells. We have auto-transplantation. In dentistry, the auto-transplantation means the transplantation of the teeth from one side to another in the same individual, involving, for example, the transfer of embedded, impacted, or erupted teeth into extraction sites or into surgically prepared socket. For example, we may extract premolars and auto-transplanted or retransplanted in the canine region. And we have auto-transplantation on the same place. For example, a tooth is affected, we remove the tooth, we do an endodontic treatment for it, and we remove any cysts periapically, then we put the tooth inside the socket and we will try to fix it. So this is the end of this session, which is part 1, which included letter A. I hope that I'll see you in the next part, which is we talk about the letter B, and you will be introduced to many amazing terms. Thank you for your listening.